everyone, I'm Ali.
Hi, I'm your old friend Lindsay.
Welcome to our new channel Godox Audio 101. In this episode, we are going to show you some tips on how to use Movelink Mini.
We will first show you the product, its features, and how it works with different devices.
We have our Movelink Mini here. It comes with a case for storage and charging. Plug into the power supply, the indicator light will blink, and it will stop blinking if it's full. Open the box, we have one receiver and two transmitters, with 3 different types of adapters and 2 wind foam and a needle.
We have 4 colors to choose from: cherry pink, macaron green, cloud white, and classic black. Also, we have LT and UC kits to choose from. If you want to use Movelink Mini in all devices, you can buy a LT kit and an extra UC adapter. The UC adapter could be purchased separately.
So, how do they work? Open the box, press the pair button shortly. If the light turns blue, it is successfully paired. Then, take out a transmitter. There is a power button. Long press it for 3 seconds to turn it off, and same process for turning on. If you want to mute the device, short press the power button. If you want to reduce the noise, press the power button twice. The light will go purple.
For the receiver, the process is quite similar. Long press the power button for 3 seconds, light off. Then the device is powered off. And same process for turning on. If you want to adjust the gain level, click the power button once or twice to adjust the gain level to -33 decibels and -43 decibels. The light will go purple if you succeeded.
So how does Movelink Mini work with different devices? For cell phones, as you can see, we have 3 different adapters here, and they're for different phones. Let's take a lightning adapter as an example. Just simply plug the receiver with the lightning adapter into the iPhone port. If you're using an Android phone, choose the Type-C adapter. Or if your phone comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, use the TRRS adapter. The transmitter can be easily clicked on your hoodie like this. See? Quickly and easy.
Yeah, how about for cameras? It's quite different from connecting to a phone, but it's still very easy to get hang of. First, we change the adapter to the TRS adapter. Next, we plug the receiver into the mic port of the camera. Lastly, we switch the recording setting to manual mode. For laptop, make sure you're using a Type-C audio adapter. Plug the receiver into the mic port of your laptop. Then we need to select the right device in the sound setting area.
This is all for today's video. If you are interested in Godox, please follow us